How to replace a Rheem hot water heater pickup. Essentially here, we're going to do a series of videos that entail what all went into replacing a hot water heater. The first thing we did was actually pick the hot water heater up from a local Home Depot. I decided to rent an appliance dolly from a party rental, tool rental facility. It fit nicely into the back of an SUV, cost about 10 bucks. Then proceeded to the Home Depot to pick up the unit, and you can find the details in the description of the model number, etc. And then we actually were able to get that unit into the back of the same SUV, meaning we did not have to rent any vehicles. You want to subscribe to this channel if you want to see all of the remaining parts of this series of videos on how we actually removed an old water heater and installed the new water heater. So like, subscribe, and you'll be notified when there are further videos. Check them all out. Hopefully it saves you some time and money, as it did for us.